Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Half-Life Alyx on Meta Quest 2. First, understand that Half-Life Alyx is a PC VR title, meaning it doesn't run natively on your Quest 2 headset. You'll need a powerful, VR-ready computer to stream the game to your Quest 2. This connection can be established either wirelessly using Airlink or with a physical USB 3.0 cable. To begin, download and install the official Oculus PC application on your computer. Once installed, you'll need to connect your Quest 2. You can do this by enabling Airlink within your Quest 2 experimental settings for a wireless connection, or by plugging in a high-quality USB 3.0 cable directly to your PC. After establishing the connection, acquire Half-Life Alyx from the Steam store and install it on your computer. With your Quest 2 connected and the Oculus PC application active, you're ready to launch the game. First, open Steam VR, which acts as the bridge for PC VR titles. You can usually launch Steam VR directly from the Oculus PC app's desktop view or by opening it from your Steam library. Once Steam VR is running, simply select Half-Life Alyx from your Steam library, and it should load into your headset. For the best experience, experiment with Half-Life Alyx's in-game graphics settings to find a balance between visual quality and smooth performance on your specific PC. If you're using Airlink, ensure your computer is connected to your router via Ethernet, and your Quest 2 is on a dedicated 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for stable streaming. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Enjoy your adventure in City 17.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.